think I'm thirsty. There's the spark in my life back. Now I want to show you how I thank her.
Hey, what's up, beautiful people? If you're new here, my name is Gigi, and today I just wanted to come on here and do a really quick video talking about my faux locks. So I've had these in for about a month now. I did them on March 10th, and today is April 13th, I think. And I used, let me show you, I used about 5 packs of this Bomba Dreadlocks Faux Locs hair that I literally just found on Amazon. I used about 5 packs of this. So this hair is literally like crochet hair. So basically you get this lock like this, and it's like super soft, super bouncy, very long, and it comes with like a little hole at the top so you could crochet it like with the needle. So personally, I don't know how to do cornrows, and I also kind of wanted a more natural look, which is why I followed Alyssa Forever's video where she basically just individually braided her hair like as if she just like did twists all around her hair and used rubber bands to make it tighter, and then she used the crochet hook to loop the hair into the braid, and then basically used the hair, she like opened it up like this and then just like wrapped her natural hair inside the lock. So that's basically what I did for this look. This is my first time ever doing locks, so it was like super different for me, but I am in love with it. Like, I love the way this hairstyle looks on me. It's very natural, it's very beachy, like very like, it just makes me feel like I should be in warm weather. Somebody told me that I looked very regal with them, so that was like a great compliment. Yeah, I love this style so much. The hair is very lightweight, it's super long. And as you can see, I like have some like crochet like detailing in here. Low-key, this looks like ratchet as hell right now, and needs to be replaced, but I think I'm just gonna like take this hair out very soon. But the hair that I used for the detailing is just this like regular like crochet hair, the free tress like braid. Sorry, this looks crazy, it was literally just like in my closet. I use this like free tress braiding hair, and I just kind of crochet hair, and I just kind of looped this in with the lock when I did that, and then I just like wrapped it around. In addition to that, I also used like these little like jewels for like detailing. Normally I would just use like the regular like braid cuffs, and to be honest, I recommend those way more than the ones that I used. The ones that I use are these ones that are kind of like spirally. What's cool about this is that you could put it around your braid and you could kind of like open it up and like make it more like how mine is, instead of just like keeping it like in its original form. But the only thing I would say about this with this particular hair is that this like jewel got caught in the hair a lot and made it a little bit hard to manage, especially with the detailing of the crochet hair that I had in. So I would definitely not recommend getting these. I think if I do the style again in the future, I would definitely use just regular braid cuffs. But yeah, overall, like, I really love this style. I think I'm definitely gonna do it again. I don't know how to do cornrows, but I think it worked out just because it looks very natural. Like, they're just like individual ones. This style took me about, I want to say it took me like 2 whole days to do, because I literally was just like transitioning out of a style that I had before, so I had to wash and everything. But because I had to like individually braid my hair with the rubber bands and stuff, that took about like a day. And then installing it was also a little bit difficult because you have to kind of like loop your hair into the lock. But it was honestly worth it because I think this style suits me so well. Like, I feel so cute, got so many compliments. So I definitely think I'm gonna do it again. I think the next time I do it, I might actually film myself doing that. If you guys want that, just let me know in the comments. And if you guys want me to do more hair videos like this, I definitely can, because I switch up my hair every month or every 2 months. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that the people that asked for this, that this was good. I forgot to mention also that this hair is in the color 1, or I think I mentioned that, I don't know, honestly. And then this free tress hair is in the color TP1B/27. It's the Go-Go Curl 20, ooh, I spat. It's the Go-Go Curl 26-inch hair. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.